Hello everyone, I am Gangadhar, a Bim manager. This is my second tutorial on YouTube. Please support my channel. Thanks for watching. First video, we have learned what is title bar, info center, home button, recent files window, and what is ribbon tabs, ribbon panel, and ribbon tools. And we came to know what is quick access toolbar and how to add or remove a tool to quick access toolbar, and we learn how to open a project or the model or a family. In this tutorial we are going to learn some more useful tools. After watching this video, if you have any questions or queries, please send me an email or drop me a message, and please follow my Instagram and Facebook. After opening a file you wish to zoom in and out, you can scroll your mouse middle button up and down. And now we are going to look for options bar. To get that, we must select any element in the model. Let's do this. We will select a duct and see what happens. So the options bar appeared below the quick access toolbar. What is options bar? Options bar is it displays conditional tools depending on current selected element, as you see below the quick access toolbar. Now we are going to deselect the object and see what happens. See, the options bar disappeared from the window. It will only show when we select any tool or any element in the model. For example, we will select duct tool from the system tab. Then you will be noticed that the options bar appeared again. Now we will cancel. To cancel, you can right click and select cancel, or you can just use escape key twice, or you can click modify tools as you see on the screen. And now if you wish to move the options bar button to bottom of the window, all you need to do is just right click and select dock at bottom below the quick access toolbar as you see on the screen. If you wish to place it back again, you need to just right click and select dock at top as you see on the screen. It went back to original position. Now we are going to learn about project browser. What is project browser? The project browser shows a logical hierarchy for all views, schedules, sheets, groups linked to the model and other parts of the current project. And you will see a list of families located into the project. It looks like a table of content. To open a project browser, just you go to view ribbon tab and go to user interface and select project browser as you see on the screen, or you can simply right click in the window and select project browser at the bottom. There you will see the project browser. Now you can just drag aside and you can place it wherever you want it, as you can see on the screen. We also have some shortcuts to open or close. We will learn shortcut keys in future videos. If you wish to close, just click cross button, or just go to view ribbon tab and go to the user interface and unselect the project browser, or you can simply right click in the window and unselect the project browser as you see on the screen. Now it disappears. If for example, if you wish to go and look for HVAC floor plan, all you need to do just go to the project browser, under views, under design, you can see HVC design. Just expand this. Under this you will see floor plans. These are the HVAC floor plans, now named with their level and numbers. Now I am going to double click the level 2 HVAC plan. Now you will be able to see the open floor plan as you see on the screen. Now you will notice that the title bar also changed their name to floor plan level 2 HVAC plan, and you will note that there are two views that are open. The first one is existing open 3D view, and the second one is level 2 HVAC plan in your model. You can cycle through these two views as you can see on the screen. And now if you wish to pan your drawing, you can hold the middle mouse button and you can pan your drawing. You can zoom in and zoom out the drawing with scroll the middle mouse button, and you can pan the drawing while holding the middle mouse button while you scroll or pan. If you lost your drawing window, all you need to do is just right click and select zoom to fit tool. Then it comes back and fits your window as you see on the screen. Now we are going to project browser. You can see that next to the project browser you can see the name of the open project. In this project browser you can expand or hide or minimize the views. This is very important just in case you accidentally close your project browser. Let me close this for now to show you. If you wish to open the project browser, all you need to do is just right click and look for browsers, and then you have to select project browser. There you go. Now the project browser back again. This is a hierarchy to all the views, schedules, sheets and project families, and also groups and other part of your current project. Large complex projects can contain hundreds of views and sheets and schedules for a project. Actually, you can right click at the blank space, and you can as you see on the screen, you can search for views with their given names. For example, we are going to search for HVAC. There you go. You can see the view got highlighted. It's pretty useful. You can search, you can expand views, and you can look for a view as you need it. You just double click on the view. There you go. Your view got opened. Again, you can see the view added above as you open views. Now we have 3 views got open. This is what the project browser is. Hope you guys can follow me. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Important window in the project in the Revit user interface is the properties. Now we are going to learn more about properties palette. The properties palette displays or hides a palette where you can view and edit instant properties. The palette shows instant properties for the current view. Select elements or the elements you are placing. To open projects, just go to view ribbon tab and go to user interface and select properties as you see on the screen. Or you can simply right click in the window and select properties. At the bottom there you will see the properties palette. Now you can just drag aside and you can place it wherever you want it. If you wish to close, just click cross button or just go to view ribbon tab or go to user interface and unselect the properties, or you can simply right click in the window and unselect the properties as you see on the screen. Now it disappears. If you do not select any element or any objects, this properties is what you call view properties. That means you have not selected any. So this is called view properties. These are the properties of the views which is currently open. Aside from the title bar, aside from the project browser, you can also check the properties of the view. If you want to know the name of the view, just go down to identity data and check the view name. The name is WSHP 2-3 system view. If you look into the project browser, that also shows you the same name of the view. If you investigate the view properties, there you can see the view scale, discipline, subdiscipline, view name and extra details. This is all about view properties. And now if you are going to select an object or element, for example, I am going to select this air terminal. Notice that this is not a view property anymore. This is now what you call instant properties. When you say instant properties, it will show you here the properties of selected element or elements. So in our case, it shows me here that the selected element is air terminal in the type, and this is the type, and it's the named with M return diffuser 600 by 600 phase 300 by 300 connection. If I want to change that type, I will just need to select the arrow below. This is called type selector. If I select a type selector, and then you will be able to see here all the families that is currently loaded with, or the air terminal that is currently loaded that you can use or replace that. Let's say I want to change that to exhaust grill. So I just need to click that once, and now you can see the changes. It is now change it to exhaust grill, and you will also see here the properties filter. As you can see that there is the air terminals. This is the category, and then this is the type of the family. This is what you call instant properties. You can also go to edit type properties. So for that, just click here. If you click this button, edit type, as you see on the screen, the type property dialog box will open, where you can create a new type of the family. For example, like M return diffuser, you can duplicate this and you can rename and you can modify, and then you can do as you need it. You can change the size, you can change all these identity data, whatever it is needed. Just in case if you have accidentally closed your properties, you just need to right click on the screen and select for the project browser. There you go, it comes back again. And if you wish to combine your project browser with the properties, all you have to do is just drag, then you put that together with the project browser. Now you see properties and project browser are combined, as you see on the screen. Okay, this is what the tutorial is for today. I am hoping that you have learned more for today's tutorial. Please support my channel. Thanks for watching. Again, if If you don't subscribe my channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.